everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you install Google Chrome browser on your Android mobile phone. Let me show you how can you install or download the Google Chrome browser. If your mobile do not have Google Chrome browser, then you can download it from the Play Store. All you have to do is to just open the Play Store app. There you have to go to the search bar and type Google Chrome. There you can see that you got the browser of Google Chrome. You can see that I have already installed the Google Chrome browser, but you have or you may see the option of download here. You have to simply click on the install or the download, and after the downloading or installing is done, you will be able to use your Google Chrome browser. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.